Hi friends, today I will explain how to make DPD Zero. I am getting lot of queries, lot of calls regarding DPD. I am properly paying my loan but still DPD is showing. I closed my loan 6 months back but still the DPD is showing. Okay, 2 months only I was delayed payment. Afterwards I regulated my loan but still DPD is showing in my credit report. So to solve this one, I'm preparing a detailed steps to close the DPD. So DPD, like it is DPD means days past due. So your payment delayed after EMI date is your DPD. For example, in your credit report, all loans you are paying regularly means DPD should be 0 or it should be STD means standard. Loan is in standard. If it is not like that, then you raise a query. You have some missed payments. For those payments, DPD will be appear, but once account is regularized, your DPD will become 0. So if it is not happening, you can raise a query with CIBIL. So what are the steps? First, you download the CIBIL report from CIBIL website, your credit report from CIBIL website or any app. Identify any incorrect DPD entries. You read all the loans, you can see all the loans. Your loans are properly paid but still DPD is showing. Then you raise a CIBIL dispute resolution. In that, select dispute type is inaccuracy, choose DPD payment history. Then attach evidence. It may be loan statement or your bank statement or in no objection certificate you can attach. Then you contact the loan provider who has given the loan. It may be bank or it may be financial institution. Just contact them and ask them to update loan history. After verifying, they'll update the details and they'll send it to CIBIL. So CIBIL will verify within 30 days. They'll make it loan regular and your DPD will become 0. Important note. So you have late payments. Genuine DPD cannot be removed. But 1 year, only 2 months you are delayed payment, only the 2 months you will have a DPD. Once regularized, it will become a 0. So any late payment, genuine late payment, you can't remove from your credit report. And even though your loan is closed, next 36 months, you can see the DPD records, loan history. To avoid all these things, you pay the EMI on date. It may be online or cash or any mode of payment. You see that EMI is paid on the EMI date. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel. Please like my video and please share my channel details with your friends also.